Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have an updated high ponytail tutorial. Okay, I got a little help from my girl Kenya. Okay, all her information will be down below. I am wearing the same hair in my previous videos. We just put it up in a high ponytail. I'm not gonna wear them on too much. It's gonna be a little girl talk. It's gonna be a little tutorial, a little voiceover here and there. But if you're interested, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alright you guys, so I just took out my braids. I had a sew-in for a little bit over 2 months and this is my hair. I know it is dirty. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little lens check before I get into the shower. I am using products from my natural hair care line. I'm using this leave-in moisturizer to spray through my hair and try to detangle it before I actually get into the shower. So this is me just brushing through my hair, trying to get a little bit of the gunk out before I take a shower. As mentioned earlier, I am using products from my natural hair care line called Raw by Raw May. I'll have all the information listed down in the description box down below. I love this stuff so much. It is amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, so now Kenya is just trying to figure out where we want this ponytail to sit up on my head. Afterwards, she goes in with the comb to try to comb through it first before she goes in with her blow dryer to try to get my hair to stretch out just a little bit more before she flat irons it. And you guys, when I tell you this brush, blow dryer, whatever you want to call it, is amazing for thick hair. Like, it got my hair so straight with this blow dryer. I was honestly shocked. Like, I cannot believe it because I couldn't do this before. So after she blow dries my hair, she does flat iron it. I do have a lot of product in my hair, that's why it's a little bit greasy and oily, but that's perfect for a high ponytail because it adds some shine and helps with the sleekness of the look. And here is another lens check really quick for you guys. You want to know how you do these damn ponytails. Okay, so you start off with doing a little part in the middle first?
For the high ponytail.
For the high ponytail?
So since it's high, yeah, so if it was low, I would have just started in the back of your head.
Right.
Since it's a high ponytail, I start in the middle because you want to have a strong base. Because a lot of times, if you don't have a strong base and you don't mold the hair in the middle, the ponytail will just be flimsy. Okay. And you'll be able to see your hair moving, but you want it to be sleek and like stuck. Yeah. You know?
Okay. So, What I would do is, what do I do?
And I used to not do this also, by the way.
Really?
Remember I told you I just be looking different methods. I used to do the back up first.
Yeah, yeah. I was just about to say, I would be like, get that up there right in tight.
Get it stuck.
Get it stuck in place, and then, you know, we bring the front. We bring the front to the back.
Yeah, so I kind of work in a circle. Like
so
I create a pony, so I bring it up in a circle each time.
So you just do multiple like layers?
I just keep parting a circle.
What?
And keep adding it into the ponytail as I'm going along until it's a full ponytail.
What? And this makes it just more sturdy?
I feel like you can make it still sturdy the other way.
Right.
But this just, I don't know, like my base just feels like...
It feels much better?
It's my base. After a certain point, you won't have to keep putting the ponytail holder on there though, because your hair will be molded like this.
So you do it around there, spray some hairspray, and then
along the way, once I get closer to the outside, I start using the blow dryer to like dry it as it goes along. Dry the spray.
So when you're trying out like a new method or a new technique, you just be like, hey, I want to try this?
No, I don't tell people that because I have so many sisters. And yet if a client reaches out to me and asks me to do something I've never done, I definitely say, okay, well, I've never done it before, but I've watched a video on it, so I know how to do it. I've just never tried to do it, yeah. So if you want to be a test dummy, then you can, and if you don't like it, I always tell them I can stop. Like, you can look through it along the way, and I can stop and try something else if you feel like it's not what you want.
Right.
Now, don't let me finish all the way through and then because I just feel like I'm not gonna do nothing if I don't feel confident halfway through. Also, like, I'll tell you, I think like, do you want to try something because this is and so maybe I need to go home and practice a little bit more on my mannequin, but we can try something else today if you like.
now that we have a nice, tight, and secured ponytail, Kenya is just braiding my hair down. You want to try to make sure that this braid down is tight as possible. So add rubber bands if needed. But yes, you just want to try to make sure that it's really, really tiny. You guys, look at me. I play all day long. But she was just wrapping around some paper wrap around my head because we are going to be gluing these tracks around my head. I literally just took these tracks out of my head from my previous videos. I've been wearing it for 2 months, and I just decided I wanted to do a ponytail. I wanted a nice sleek ponytail. Okay, so here we are. Kenya's just gluing these tracks around my head and then frequently going in with the blow dryer to just make sure that it's holding into place. But I swear this method is so much easier and so much better than doing bobby pins, just because it just makes it even more effortless, and it's not even messy. It was super, super quick. It was really sturdy. Like, I just cannot go back to bobby pins. I can't with all them damn bobby pins in my head. But yeah, she just left out a little piece of hair so that she could wrap it around my head. She is going in with some hairspray as well as some hair sheen or hair shine stuff, just to make sure that this top part of my ponytail looks very neat and clean. But this method, this high ponytail, is honestly so easy to achieve. You guys just saw what all it took to achieve this look. Is not that bad. But yeah, I was so happy with the final result. Here we are. I felt so good. I just love a nice clean ponytail. I just love it. It just does something to me. It's the pony for me. It's the pony for me. But yes, let me know what you guys think about this tutorial down in the description box below. Let me know if you guys want more hair tutorials from me. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.